Well, all right, my friends. Let's meet the players. So you can see it looks like a delicious treat of candy snacks, which, as everyone knows, this is what we're supposed to eat on Halloween for dinner. But actually, no, these things represent things. So the nerds represent the electrons. They are tiny. Oh my gosh, tiny little electrons. And the Maltesers, they represent the protons. Now, I picked them because they were bigger than the electrons, but actually, if I really wanted to show you how much bigger a proton would be than an electron, it might be more like this kind of a scale. There's the proton, and there's a little electron down there. So protons significantly bigger than electrons, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. They are little charge machines, these electrons, because this has a charge of -1 equal to this charge of +1. Now, these are the element cards, the guests at the dinner party. There's hydrogen and helium, and you had better learn that song. And we also have over here your atom with the nucleus, where we store our protons, delicious protons. And that little ring there represents the electron shell. So this has an atomic number of 1, which means it would have 1 proton in the nucleus. And if it has 1 proton in the nucleus, it has 1 little electron orbiting around in its outer shell. When I say orbiting, I really mean floating in a hard-to-predict pattern somewhere within this electron cloud. So those are the players. Those are the dinner guests. Let's get ready to set the table. All right. Let's see. What do we have here for our dinner guests? Our first one is hydrogen, and there's not a lot of room in this row. Only really had room for one more. Helium over there. We need to start a new row here. And look at our next set of dinner guests with 2 little rings for the electrons to hide out in. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. And if you look, that ring is full. So now we need to start a new shell and a new row with sodium. And you got a little magnesium, aluminium, as they call it in England, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and my favorite element, the pirate element, argon. Thank you for accepting my invitation to my chemistry dinner party. I hope you enjoy my periodic table that I've laid out for you. Now, let's eat. Delicious protons.